Rocky, she's fighting wolves. She's fighting wolves. Star. Whoa, Star, that's a lot of wolves. I don't think you can take that many, Star. Oh, Rocky. Rocky, now deer are showing up. Now deer are showing up. Yeah, she's fighting deer and wolves. Oh my gosh. She's brawling with them. She's... Oh my gosh. I haven't seen Star fight this many wolves before. She's just... Shit. Whoa, oh my gosh, she is just destroying them. She's just... You know, and wolves, we don't watch it around here. We'll get her as soon as she's done fighting them. You can see her out there, she's fighting them. You can... Look out there, she's fighting them. Look out the window. Whoa, Star, that's just... Alright, Rock, that's enough. Oh, do you hear that? She just barked. Jeez, Star. She's trying to fight big dudes.